All right, so I wanted to make sure I gave you solutions to the other work you did for me today. That means question 1 on reading 1. So some highlights here. When you're describing motion in words, the most important things you need to mention are the starting position of the object, the direction it's going. So you can say left or right, positive direction, negative direction, the type of motion, whether it's constant or not, and relative speed. So if you're just describing one thing's motion, there's not a whole lot to compare it to, but this becomes a lot more important if you're comparing motions or if something changes motion. So these 4 things we need to talk about. Okay, so let's go and do question 1. So you have this object. This is its position versus time graph. Let's say that the coordinate system we're using is the standard one like we said in class. So this is the positive direction. There's some origin here. Okay. All right. So this object starts to the right of the origin, right? Because if you check out where it is here, this location is like here on the coordinate axis, okay? And it moves to the right, if you want to say that's the positive direction, at constant, say medium speed. Is there anything else I need to say? I don't think so. I think that's everything, but let's just double check. Okay, so let's go through the checklist one more time. Did I say where it starts? Yes, starts to the right of the origin. That's a starting position. Did I say which way it's going? Yes, I said it's moving to the right. The type of motion, did it move at a constant speed? Yeah, I said it moved at constant speed. And then relative speed, slow, medium, or fast, I said that one was medium. Okay, so if you want to, after watching this, you can try the second one, and we will go through the second one, even the third one too. We'll go through these in class on Tuesday.